Okay, instead of changing the whole mechanism, because I know it's leaking out of here, I'm gonna try to just replace the valve that I took it out of another one. Right here. So instead of, this leaks around the shaft, instead of replacing this entire thing and having to connect everywhere, I'm just going to change the valve because it's really the rubber parts that have screwed up. See, there's a rubber spot here that seals it when you shut it off, and this one seals it, no, backwards. This one seals it when you open it. This rubber seal seals it when you close it. So you've got that seal meshes with that flat area in the bottom, and then the top seal actually seals up in here in the top of this nut. Okay, so I'm gonna try to, instead of replacing this whole valve, just replace the inner part of the valve. So I'm just gonna pull this out. Oops. Alright, let's fix this again. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Probably there. So I'm just gonna unscrew this, since I've already drained the lines. All you do to drain the lines is shut off the water, and then you go to the lowest point in the house, or at least a point that's lower than the area you're going to work on, and you open the spigot, and then you go upstairs above where you're working on something, and you open those spigots because it'll create a vacuum if you don't open the ones that are up higher. Okay, so we're going to pull out this valve. It's not terrible, but you can see how it's kind of deteriorating a bit. That's the black stuff coming off. This may not work because it could be too corroded down inside there. And as a matter of fact, we'll just have to see and hope that this all fits together, because I don't know if it will. Let's see. I mean, the threads look the same. It looks the same, but I don't know until I get it to mesh here. I go backwards until I feel it click. There it went, and it's seated in, so I don't cross thread it. Okay, so there we go. I don't know why this one didn't seal. It probably should have. The top seal is pretty much completely gone. I don't know if you can see it, but there should be a seal up on the top here, and there's no seal. I'm assuming there was one once, and it doesn't look like it, so that's probably why it wouldn't seal before. Okay. So I'm going to try to get this top thing to seat. There we go. It doesn't want to let me engage there. Let's see if I get a little farther. There we go. So that's interesting, because that top seal being missing, and once I had this other valve open all the way, it seemed to stop leaking, but okay, we can only hope for the best. That is much tighter.